It's day 18 of our 2023 New Year's Challenge. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Can you believe we're almost to the end of our New Year's Challenge? I hope you've been having as much fun as I have. Feel free to leave me a comment below if you haven't already, letting me know how it's going for you. Today's class is a Pilates Yoga Fusion class, and it's a lovely mix of both really deep abdominal work and some nice stretching. I do use a set of weights if you care to take it up a notch with me, but otherwise no props are needed whatsoever. Roll out your mat, let's get started. We'll start in a seat today. If kneeling doesn't work for you, no big deal, you can take a cross-legged seat, but I am in a hero's pose at the moment. Roll the shoulders back. Think about squeezing the inner thighs towards one another if you're in the same posture as me. Tummy in, ears high. Take a nice inhale. Big breath out. Again, inhale. Big breath out. One more. Let it go. Seal the lips, breathe through the nose. Flutter the eyes open. Take an inhale, both hands gather up over the head. Pause there and try to grow an inch or two taller. Drop your right hand down, lift the left high, and find a side body stretch. Stack the shoulders, find space through your left side. And then a gentle forward fold, maybe coming almost into a child's pose. If we're in a cross-legged seat, just forward fold there, that's okay. Slowly roll yourself up. Inhale, both hands again, lift high, reaching up to the rafters. Left hand down, right hand high. Find your side body stretch. Again, stacking the shoulders, lengthening through the spine. Big inhale. Big breath out. And forward fold once more. Again, roll yourself up. This time, both hands gather up a little bit different. Drop the right hand down, lift the left hand. We can stay right here or push your hips to the left, finding a deeper side body stretch. Maybe point your nose up to the sky. Maybe point your nose down to the ground. Continue to breathe easily, fluidly. And then again, forward fold into the child's pose or just your seated position. Roll on up. Both hands lift. Left hand down, right hand high. Side stretch. Pause for a moment and maybe push your hips now to the right. Notice what feels different from one side and the other. Do you want to look up or down? Forward fold when you're ready. If you aren't in a child's pose already, I invite you to find one. And then eventually, tabletop. Navel in, chest open, cat and cow. The next time you round the body, pause. So I'm going to round, kind of pulling my pubic bone up, separating my shoulder blades. Can you tuck your toes? Take an inhale. Exhale, hover the knees away and hold for 3, 2, 1. Set both knees down. Lengthen the spine. Round again. Tummy in, separate the shoulders. Big inhale. Exhale, hover. 3, 2, 1. Both knees down. Lengthen. Last time, round and hover. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Both knees down. Toes together, knees apart. Find child's pose again. Come up to your tabletop once more. Extend your right foot behind you. Push the heel back so we get a nice stretch there. Slide your right in. Same thing, other side. Push it back. Pull it in, pause. Now from here, really push the floor away, opening up across the chest. If we have a weight, we're going to hold on to it and move it a little bit out in front of us. Take a nice big inhale. As you exhale, can you hover the right hand up? It's just barely off the floor for me right now. Take a big inhale. Exhale, pick it up to shoulder height. Drop it right back down. Exhale, lift it up. Drop it right back down. 3 more, exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. 2 more, exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Last one, lift. Bring it down, pause. Set the hand off. Find your tabletop. Navel in, chest open. Extend your right foot behind you. Squeeze your thud. Point your toe. Big inhale. Exhale, lift the foot. Drop it down. Exhale, lift the foot. Drop it down. 2 more, exhale, lift. And lower. Last one, lift, pause. Navel in, chest open. Flex your foot, touch it to the floor. Take a big inhale. See if you can step up to a plank. If that's too much, it's okay. If we can hold, do so for 3, 2, 1. Both knees down. Pause for a moment here, reset, grab your weight in your opposite hand if we can. Start to hover it away. Big inhale, exhale, lift, inhale, lower, exhale, lift, inhale, lower. 3 more, up and down. 2 more, up and down. Last one. Bring it down, pause. Off to the side, both hands back to the mat. Extend your opposite foot out. Toe can be pointed or flexed, navel in, big inhale. Squeeze the thud, drop it down. Exhale, lift, drop it down. For 3 and 2. Lift, pause. Flex your foot, touch it to the floor. Take a breath. Can you step up and hold with me? For 3, 2, 1. Both knees to the ground. Sink back to a child's pose. You might clasp the hands, hold them, and bring them back to the nape of your neck. If that's too much, it's okay. Release, let that go. Roll yourself up to a seat. We're going to take our feet out in front of us, lie on our back. You can scooch the weights with you so they're accessible to you later. Imprint the spine, chest open. Just take the hands out and away. Relax your fingertips for a moment. Big inhale. Pick up your right leg. Another breath. Pick up your left leg. From here, concentrate on keeping the shoulders relaxed and open. And we'll tap our right toe to the floor. Exhale, lift. Tap your left toe to the floor. Exhale, lift. Simply go right there, back and forth at your own pace. Notice if your back is trying to curl away from the mat. Can you resist that feeling by cinching the waist like your belt got a little bit tighter? 1 more to each side. So right foot, exhale up, left foot, and pause. Externally rotate both legs, bring them back to parallel. Externally rotate, making a diamond, bring them back to parallel. 3 more, rotate, open and close. 2 more, rotate, open and close. Last one, open, pause, navel in, chest open. Right toe down, exhale, lift. Left toe down, exhale, lift. When I have this external rotation and I'm moving my legs, I really think about my inner thigh helping to guide the leg up. Back and forth at your own time. 1 more right. 1 more left. Both feet together. Pause. Rotate the legs back together. If you need to set the weights, if you need to set the legs down, that's okay. If we can punch the hands up, that's awesome. Touch the weights towards one another. Soften the shoulders down the back. Really feel your muscles in your abdominal wall working so hard. Take a big inhale. As you exhale, I want you to curl your head and chest up and hover the weights just barely over the knees. It's like I'm pushing them out towards my toes. And from here, I want you to exhale, bring them down to your hips. Exhale, lift them up over the knees. Down and around. Up and over. Down and around. Up and over. 3. 2 more sets. Last one. If you need to set the head down, that's okay. If we can keep it lifted, we can keep punching the hands away. Awesome. Bring your hands down to the right side of your hips. Take them up over the knees. Down to the left side. Up and over. You could always set one weight down and hold one weight between both hands. You could set both weights down if you need to. There's nothing wrong with that. 2 more. Exhale down. Inhale, rainbow up. Exhale down. Inhale, rainbow up. Last time to the right. Last time to the left. Back to center. Set the feet on the floor. Set the weights on the floor. Hands over the head for a big, deep stretch. Reach your fingers and hands away. Big inhale. Big breath out. Pull your right knee into your chest. Give yourself a little hug, little squeeze. Circle your knee around. Circle it in both directions. Plant your left foot onto the floor. Take your right foot high. Actively flex the foot. Push the heel up. Pull the toes to your face. Maybe clasp the hands behind your leg if you have that range of motion. You might guide the leg a little closer to the body. And then find a figure 4. Externally rotate the knee. Perhaps pick the leg up. Does it feel good to hug the entire leg in? Do you want to straighten and bend your knee a few times? Set both feet back onto the mat. Pull your left knee in. Extend the right leg out if you want to. You can keep it bent if you prefer. Find some movement in both directions. And then plant the foot into the floor as you lift the left leg high, flex, heel up, toes pull towards your kneecap. And again, we might take a little extra stretch there. Just as deep as whatever feels good. Cross the leg over, find your figure 4, pick up the leg again. Hug it into the body if you want. Maybe a little sway, a little wiggle. Once more, elongate the hands and feet away from one another. Big, deep stretch. Roll to your tummy. I'm going to move the weights out of the way. Hands by your sides. Pull the elbows together. Push your pubic bone down. Inhale, teeny tiny baby cobra. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, little cobra. Exhale, down. One more little cobra. Pause. Wing the elbows together. Point your nose to the right. Look forward. Point your nose to the left. Look forward. Roll down. Straighten your arms out in front of you. And from here, roll the shoulders back. Start to bend the elbows into your ribs and lift up into a little Sphinx pose. I push down into my elbows and try to push my sternum forward like someone has a string attached to the front of my chest, pulling it forward. I'm still pushing into the floor with my pubic bone, squeezing my thut. Take a big deep inhale. Point your elbows to the side. Lower your head, your chest down. Relax here for a moment. Take your right hand away from your body and bend your left elbow by your side. Bend your left knee. Roll to your right, as deep or shallow as you so choose. You might lift your left hand high. You might bring it back behind you. You could even take a little half bind if you want to, reaching your left fingertips towards your right hip. Roll to your tummy. I'm going to slide my mic to the opposite side of my shirt and then extend your left hand away, Right hand by your hip, bend your right knee, roll. We can stay there. You can take the hand high, maybe push it behind you, or again, you might find a little half bind, reaching the right hand to left hip. Slowly make your way back onto your stomach. Push yourself into a child's pose again. Head is heavy. Close the eyes. Relax the muscles in the jaw, the shoulders, the back. Slowly roll yourself up to a nice, easy seat. As always, a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed class. I'm so proud of you for showing up. I hope you feel the same way. I cannot wait to see you again tomorrow.